What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to LTH, and in today's video I want to show you guys our t-shirts. So real quick, this is the embroidered version. It is looking just like that. LTH right there on the t-shirt with Learn to Homelab down below on an all black short sleeve shirt. This is a pre-shrunk mid-weight t-shirt. I think it feels really good. I think the fit is good. I'm 6'3" and 180 pounds, and this is a size large. I would say these are pretty true to size. And I also have a printed on version that I will show you guys right now. And if you would like to pick one of these up, they are down in the description. This will help the channel out a ton. Essentially, when you buy one of these shirts to support the channel, it's like you watching our videos about 10,000 times for us to receive the same financial benefit for making projects on this channel come to life. So let me go ahead and switch over to that shirt, and then you guys can decide which shirt you like more. Okay, and here's the other shirt, and as we can see right here, it is LTH, big letters, Learn to Homelabs offset to the side. And this is on a nice long shirt. It actually goes all the way down past the bottom of my pocket. So if you're tall like I am, you have a lot of length with this shirt, as well as the sleeves feel a little bit longer as well. And it's a slightly darker black, but they're both black. And then again, this is printed on across the chest. So let me know what you guys think down below. And again, these will be linked down below for purchase if you'd like to help support this channel, as well as we will have other more Homelab funny meme shirts coming out soon. But again, these are fulfilled to order and it takes about a week, so be a little bit patient if you do buy one of these, but it will be linked down below, and let me know which one you guys like more. Thank you for watching. My name is Abe, signing off with another video, and as we've reached over 10,000 subs, a new adventure on this channel in 2026. So again, thank you for watching, signing off.